2008 Audi S4. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including leather upholstery, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and power seats. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.